Hello guys, this is Sinchan. Welcome to my channel and welcome to my new video. Today I am going to show you how to create a Shopify account. First I go to a browser, then type Shopify. This is Shopify. Now go to create website. This is Shopify website. See setup for 40 days trial. Here I input my Gmail account. This is my Gmail account and start for trial. Now I set up a password, then type store name, click on create your store. Now tell us a little about yourself. Are you already selling? Though I am not selling product yet, so I press I am not selling product yet. Do you have something for sale? Yes, I have products. Then type yes. What is your current revenue? I put highest revenue. Which industry will you be operates it? Then type yes. Next. Then set up this page. I fill up my all important information. Then click on enter my store. When you come this page, then you can understand your Shopify account is correctly created. Thanks for watching this video. I hope it's helpful for all. Like, comment and share with your friends. Thank you.